and in this video, we are going to learn 3 easy ways to copy a table from Excel to Word and avoid formatting errors. Okay, so let's go to Excel. So this is a table that I want to copy to Word. Now, usually what we do is that we could select the text that we want to copy, and then Control C to copy. Now, Control V to paste. And look what happens. So very often the table could be spreading beyond the border of the page. So you can see that the phone number is like missing. Usually what we could do is that we could try to, first we could make all the borders visible, and then we could try to drag the cell down in order to fix it, but it doesn't work and it would take a long time to do so. So a better alternative is to select the entire table, go to table layout, go to auto fit and select auto fit to window. Window here means a page border, and our problem is solved. So now all we need to do is to adjust it manually. So go to border, make all the borders visible, adjust the title a little bit, move out the cells, and the contact name make a little bit bigger, and this could work. Okay, so this works, but let's go to a more complicated example. So this is the same table. Now, instead of copying to the phone number, now I want to copy the entire table with an additional column for email. All right, so Control C and then Control V. Oh, the entire table is not copied, it's still spreading beyond the border of the page, but now we know what to do. So select the entire table, go to table layout, go to auto fit and select auto fit to Windows, and it works, but it's actually quite squishy because there are too much text to it. So if you have a really long table, instead of trying to auto fit it forcibly into the window here means the page margin, another option could be to put the table into a separate page and make only that page landscape. So here's how you do. Select the entire table, go to layout, go to orientation. Actually, click on the arrow and to open the page setup dialog box and select landscape. But instead of applying to the whole document, here we just want to make only the page that contains the table landscape. So in this case, we will select the second option, which is a selected text. Okay, click OK. And you can see that the table is now being put into a separate page, and only that page is being made landscape while the rest are still in portrait mode, and our problem is solved. Now, another method is that instead of making one page landscape, let me cut this, is that select the table and copy as usual, but when you paste it, click on the drop down arrow next to the paste option and just select the paste as picture. So basically, paste as picture means that the entire table will be pasted as one big picture, and once it is in picture mode, and you can increase the size, make it bigger, smaller, but essentially it will still maintain the same look aspect ratio, and in a lot of cases this might be the simplest and the best option. So there you go. I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.